Hello everyone, good evening all of you. Welcome to Unified Study. This is the quick revision course as the exam is coming soon. That's why this quick revision course is for everyone. You all. Good evening all of you. Hi Bebin, welcome to Unified Study. Santosh, Sarita, everyone is here. This is the quick revision course as the exam is coming soon. That's why this quick revision course is for everyone. You all. Good evening all of you. Hi Bebin, welcome to Unified Study. Santosh, Sarita, everyone is here. This is the quick revision course as the exam is coming soon. That's why this quick revision course is for everyone. You all. Good evening all of you. Hi Bebin, I think double voice is coming now. Now voice is okay. Welcome to Unified Study. Santosh, Sarita, everyone is here. Hema is also here. Now I think sound is clear, right? Now sound is clear, I think. Yes, so this is the quick revision course of the computer science and this is about myself. You already know. Please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get all the latest update, because we are going to complete all important topic here for the computer science. There is the proper planning. I have done the proper planning. So from that planning I am going to complete everything, and this is my WhatsApp number. If you all know, if you want to join this WhatsApp group, you can ping me, and this is the email ID. If you have any doubt or anything, you can send me mail, and this is the Telegram channel Unified Study Computer Science, and this is the website unifiedstudy.com. In this website all the free mock test is going on. You can avail the mock test. Everything is free for you here. You have to just register for there, and after that you can avail the mock test. Okay. Yes, as per the schedule of today I am going to discuss the remaining topic of AI, because we was discussing AI. So most of the topic of AI is complete. Now I am going to discuss today, that is artificial intelligence, genetic algorithm and neural network. I will give you some idea. I will give you some idea about neural network, and that is the overview, so that you can attempt at least some theoretical question. Your concept will be clear, and because there is not enough time, that's why overview I am going to discuss with you about neural network. So what is neural network, why the neural network is coming, and what is the actual model of neural network. I am going to discuss with an example that will be very better for you. That is what is neural network. Think that it is a team. There is a team. This is the team manager. This is the team manager, and that team manager is the AI. There is a that is how to identify. They are trying to identify the animal, different types of animal they are trying to identify. Okay. Now there are different level. There are different level of the team. Maybe you can think this is the team manager. This is the team manager, and this is the intermediate level. Here the second level manager. You can think like team lead. Here the team lead is there. Okay, everyone is team lead here, and these are the member 1, member 2, member 3. These are the member of the team. Now how it will work? How it will work? See that there are, every team there are 3 member. Okay, every team there are 3 member. Now they have allocated that member that this 3 member have to identify the eyes, of the animal, and this 3 member have to identify the face of the animal, and these 3 member have to identify the body shape of the animal. So this task is to identify the eyes, and his task is to identify the mouth, only the mouth part, and his part is, that is identifying the ear. That will be that we are doing the face detection. We are doing the face detection here. Okay. So for that, how the neural network will work? So maybe they are trying to identify the dog is there, cat is there, and bear is there, and panda is there, and tiger is there. So everyone have the eyes, right? Now they will give some point, that is the neural network and genetic algorithm. This is the topic of neural network. How the neural network actually works, this is the topic of neural network. Okay. So how it is going on, that they will give some percentage, that is they are giving, that is like 0 to 1. This is the point. When this is greater than 0.5 means it is likely, there is the possibility is high that eyes can be, maybe they are trying to detect a dog, is the eyes of a dog they are trying to detect. Okay. Now the dog eye shape of dog is likely to be like it is the similarity with the cat, or is there any similarity of with the bear? So they are trying to identify different types of eyes. Now if they have, their task is to identify the dog, they will select only the eyes part, they will select, and from that eyes part they will give some point. That point, maybe this member give the point, okay, this is I think this is like the dog, so I am giving 0.7. Now this member told, no, I don't think this is the this eyes is dog, I am thinking no, this is not the dog, so give 0.3. and this is the team member, he give this is 0.5. Now for the mouth, who are identifying only the mouth portion, because total face different member are there. Now for the mouth, the member 1 will identify that, okay, this is the mouth of the dog, okay, yes, this is the mouth of the dog, so he is given 0.8. Now member 2 is trying to identify, but he came to know, no, that is not the dog, so he gave, no, this is 0.2. In that way they will give the number, they are giving the percentage, that how much it is actually similarity with the eyes of dog or anything. Now this number will be collected here, this total number will be collected in the average, and from this average it will be like that 0.7, 0.3, that is 1, and this is 5, 1.5. So 1.5 divided by 3, that will be 0.5. So 0.5 will be come here, and maybe from here it is coming 0.6, and from here it is coming also 0.8. They are giving some different values. I am not giving the values for the understanding. Now from here also this will be added. Hello Ansu, from here also this will be again added, and it will be like that, ki this is how much, 0.5, 0.6, that is 1.1, and 0.8, that is 0.8, it is 1.1, then 1.9, 1.9 is coming. Now after 1.9 it will be divided by 3. Now final result, what will be the final result? According to the final result, if it is coming less than 0.5, if it is less than 0.5, then it will decide, no, this is not the dog, because everyone is giving the input, right? this is the end area, they are giving the input, and this is the middle layer, there are the specific name, we will discuss the specific name, and after that finally the result is coming here. This is actually neural network, whatever neural network is going on in our brain. In our brain, in our mind, there is the brain, but everything is not doing by brain. There are 5 sensory organ in our brain. From that 5 sensory organ, we are trying to sense it. When you are watching anything, when you are trying to watch any animal, when you are trying to get the decision of anything, that is it the correct way, what is it is black or it is white, it is hot or anything, that 5 sensory organ is giving us the input, and from that input, this is called the hidden layer. This layer, this internal layer is called the hidden layer. Okay, this is the hidden layer, and these are the, you can think, these are the sensory organ from where the value is coming. Okay, and finally here it is our brain, here the decision is taking by the neuron. This is the decision, final decision is taking by the neural. So that is called the neural network. Same concept of our neuron, same concept of our brain, same concept of our neurology, we are trying to apply everywhere in the computer science field. That is called the neural network. Okay, so that are the overview. So now here the theory is there, that is neural network are a set of algorithm models loosely after the human brain that are designed to recognize a patterns. Just now I told you that are recognized to design a pattern. What are the pattern? That if this is a dog, it will be looks like, these eyes will be like this, and the face will be like this of a dog. That way there will be some like that, and this will be like this, and this ear will be like that. So in that way they are trying to recognize the dog, is it dog or not. Okay, so that is the pattern. They are trying to identify the pattern through the neural network, and they imparted, that is sensory data through the kind of machine perception. So sensory data, what are the sensory data? Just the last layer, who are the member of the team, who are the member of the team, that are the sensory data that are collecting the senses, like our sensory organ, like our eyes, like our ear, like our nose, like our sensory organ. There are the some perception, machine perception is there, and labeling or clustering raw input. Labeling or clustering. Labeling means what we are labeling, that yes, it is like the eyes, means I am labeling the data. Okay, I am going to give some point, that is 0.7, means I am labeling, yes, it is the eye, or I am labeling this is the eye part. Or clustering. Clustering means what? When there are a group of animal, that is same type of group or not, same group of animal, then this is making the cluster. Cluster means what? That are group. I am trying to make a cluster, that it is the similarity. There are some similarity of this animal. The eyes of this animal, there are some similarity, that eyes of dog and eyes of cat, it is looking bright in the night, right? So that are the similarity. So according to the similarity, they are making the some cluster. Okay, so the pattern, they recognize the numericals contents in vector into which all real world data, be image, sound, text, time series, must be translated. So here we are translating anything, that is image, sound, everything. Neural network helps us cluster and classify. This is the main work of neural network: pattern matching, cluster, classify. We are doing to classification, that are the main work of neural network. And think clustering, classification, lay top of the data to store the and manage. Okay. Now they help the ground unlabeled data. They help, that is the perception layer, that is the last layer. They are unlabeled. They are trying to get the unlabeled data and they are giving the label. They are helping to do that label, that is according to the similarities among the example of unit. They classify data that they have labeled data set in train and to train on. Train on means how they are trained. Just now I have given the example, that is the team member. So that team member, how they are identifying, is it dog or cat? Before going to that task, they are giving some training, means some types of eyes, what are the types of eyes of the animal, it is shown by them, and there should be some training that if you saw this type of eyes means this is the eyes of dog, if you saw this type of eyes means this is the eyes of cat. So these are the training. Before going to do anything, there should be some training. Okay. And neural network can also extract feature that have fed to other algorithm for the clustering and classification. So this neural network we are trying to put to another algorithm, that is we think that deep learning, deep neural network, component larger machine learning, machine learning, we are applying the neural network and involving the algorithm for reinforcement learning and classification of regression. Okay. So main idea of neural network is clear. What is neural network? What is neural network? Is it clear to everyone? Manish is there, Jyoti is there, Ansu is there, Preeti is there, Priyanka Joshi, Monali, Hema, Shubhrangshu. I think Shubhrangshu, you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon and try to join the group. Hema, Santosh, Bibin. So clear to everyone that what is neural network? Actually, what is neural network? ये खाने का है या पीने का है, क्या है? Right? Yes. Ruchika. Okay. So what kind of problem does deep learning solve, and more importantly can solve yours? That is to know the answer of deep learning. What are the outcome do we take? That is spam or not spam in the email filter. Spam or not spam is also a type of application of neural network. Okay, Sunita is also there. Okay, Sunita, Sinu. Okay. So good guy or bad guy, fraud detection. Do you know that nowadays there are some machine when you touch the machine and when you are trying to tell the lie, they are detecting that you are lying. Now neural network and AI is so much intelligent that there are the machine that they are identifying, is it fraud? If someone is telling lie, this machine also able to you always there, Sunita. Yes, Sunita, Sarita, they are always there for me, I know that. Every day they are coming to my class. Sunita, Sarita, regular student from the day one. So I am very happy for that. Thank you. So angry customer and happy customer, customer relationship management, these are the application of neural network. Okay, means we are according to some pattern, how it is detecting the spam mail, mean according to the some pattern, according to some from where the mail is coming, what are the data of the mail, from that pattern, from that clustering, they are trying to identify, is it spam or not, is it good guy or bad guy, is it fraud, or is it happy customer or not happy customer, right? Now there are some classification. There are some classification in neural network. What are the classification? That is the classification tasks depend on the label data set, that are the, this is human must transfer their knowledge to the data set for the neural network to learn correlation between label and data. Means what are the correlation between label and data? Means this is the data. This is the data. From this data, okay, you never bunk the class, very good. So, if I am here in the machine, how the machine will identify this is a human? Or if a dog is there, how the machine will identify this is a animal? For that, we have to put our knowledge. We have to put our knowledge to the machine, so that machine can identify and machine can label that data, right? So that's why that is the deep learning does not require to detect the similarities, and unlabeled that data is the majority of the world. What are unlabeled? There are different types of unlabeled data. They are trying to label it, and one law of machine learning is the more data an algorithm are trained on. Okay. Now there are some search, anomaly detection, everything is there. These are the everything theory. Now what is predictive analysis and regression? This is very important, that what is predictive analysis or regression in neural network. That is means what we are doing, that with this classification, deep learning is able to establish correlation between, say, pixel of an image, the name of the person. Okay. So means here we are predicting when from the image, when like the face detection in Facebook. In the Facebook, when in a group photo your image is coming, they are giving the suggestion for the tag. When you are trying to tag anyone, they are giving the suggestion. How they are giving the suggestion means this Facebook is predicting the data. That is predicting the data, right? So by the same token, exposed enough deep learning is able to correlation between present event and future event. Means they are trying to correlate that what is the present event and what is the past and future event, and they are trying to do the correlation, and they are trying to sense, and they are trying to predict that. Okay. So there are some hardware breakdown. So data centered, manufactured and transport. If there are some hardware breakdown, then what are the possibilities? If some health breakdown, that is stroke, heart attack, or heart attack based or vital state, that how the health breakdown is there. So the expert system, different types of expert system are there. They are trying to predict that what is the exact cause of health breakdown. Now employee turnover, that employees, what is the problem of employee? This is the prediction. This is the prediction, and according to the prediction, what is regression? Regression means they are trying to merge everything, and they are trying to detect that cause. They are trying to predict the cause. Okay. Now what are the neural network elements? What are the neural network elements? That is deep learning is the name of the stacked neural network. Deep learning, name used for stacked neural network, that is network composed for several layers. There are several layers of neural network. What we have to know, these are the several network. These are the input, that just revert ho gaye, just you can think these are the input from where the input is coming. After that, these are the weights. There are some weights, means what we are giving the weight, that from the input we are giving the weight, this is 0.3, this is 0.5, this is 0.7, this is 0.6, means this weight are coming here after the input. Now there is the net input function. Net input function means here we are doing the addition, means all the weight will be added here. All the weight will be added here. After that, this is the activation function. Yes, after that this is the activation function, means according to this summation result there will be the activation. Yes, we have to active it. What will be the activation function? Means there will be some, like we are writing the function, right, f equals to 2x plus y, like that way, like that only. There will be the some function. According to the function it will check the value. If the value is satisfying the activation function, then it will give you the output. Okay, nothing else. Sometimes this type of question is coming, that they will give you some input here, and from that input nothing you have to do. You have to do the addition, and according to the activation function you have to check. Means maybe the activation function is 2x plus y should be greater than 0.5. If you add the value, and after that if you do the average, after doing the average, if you check the value is greater than 0.5 means it is activated. If it is less than 0.5 means it is not activated. Okay. So these are the overview of neural network, how the neural network is going on, and what are the work. Clear? Is it clear to everyone? And this is called, there are some layer in the neural network. These are the output layer, these are the input layer, means from where we are taking the input, and these are the hidden layer. Hidden layer means input layer means the member who are taking the input, and these are the hidden layer means team leader are the hidden layer. After that finally the output is coming here. Okay. So these are the layer of the neural network. So neuron likes the switches that turns off and on. Neurons, what is that? Is turns off and on, means it is giving the signal or it is not giving the signal. And input is fed through the net. These are the net. This input is taking here, from here the input will take and it will be sent to here, and from this input it will be sent to here. Like when you are touching with your hand, this input is going through your hand. There are some so many nerves, there are so many things, and from here finally it is coming to our brain, and our brain is realize that okay, this is hot, right? Why when the doctor is giving the anesthetic injection for anything, when some operation is going on, or when some any other reason is there, when the anesthetic injection is given, then why you are not feeling the pain? Is if they cut your hand, if they cut your belly when the surgery is going on, but you are not feeling. Why? There is the bleeding, there is the cut, there is everything, but we are not feeling. Why? Because this signal is not going to the hidden layer, and this hidden layer is not giving the signal to the brain. We are feeling everything when finally the signal is going to the brain. We are not able to feel the pain because this anesthesia, when the anesthesia is going on, because of this anesthesia, the neuron, what are the nerve is there, it is collapsed. It is not sending the signal to the brain. That's why we are not able to understand anything. That is the same way of neural network, that if input is not sending the data to the hidden layer, and hidden layer is not sending the data to the final layer, then output will not come. Anything can be happen if there is total cut. If anyone cut your hand and this is anesthesia, you will be not able to understand what is going on. Maybe you can see that the teeth is coming, when the tooth coming, but you are not able to understand, right? Yes, that is called deactivated. That is called that the where anesthesia means the layer is deactivated now. Okay, deactive now means this is not active, this is deactive now. So pairing of the model adjustable weight with the input feature is how we assign the significance those feature with the regards same, just that is, try to remember the first example what I have given, that we are giving some value and after that average it is coming here and it is finally coming here. So sometimes some numerical is coming. I was searching one example but I could not found that. There was a example like same image was there, and that from same image some value was there, and from that value there is some function is given and it is asking what will be the final output. So if this type of question is coming, please remember that what you have to do, you have to do the addition and you have to do the average, and after doing the average you have to check with the function, activation function. Okay, got it? Got it? So from this image it will be more clear. This is the image that the successive model. This is the layer 1. This is the layer 1 when it is taking the input. When it is taking the input from everywhere, it is taking the input, means this is the layer 1. Layer 1 is taking the input. Okay. Then finally in the layer 2 it is combining. Layer 2 it is combining. Can you see the image? The image is visible to everyone. This image is visible to everyone, means see that it is combining. It is trying to detect the nose, it is trying to detect the eyes, there is another eyes, this is the eyes, and it is trying to detect there is the nose. It is combining everything. And finally in the layer 3 all the face, these are the face they have, after the combination the face is detected. Yes, these are the face, right? So this is actually doing in the neural network. This is the input layer, this is the layer 2, and this is the final output. Okay, this is the successive model layer learn deeper intermediate representation. Okay, from this image I think it is more clear to you. So any doubt? Anyone have any doubt in neural network? As I told, I will give you the overview, because if you trying to understand all the numericals and everything, then it will take some time. Their exam is coming, so we cannot give total effort here, because we have to learn so many topics. There are 10 units. That's why I think before exam it is enough. Before exam it is enough, so that you can get, if there are some theoretical question, or maybe you are able to solve some numerical also from this idea. Just try to apply the idea, and from that idea you will be able to solve. If normal level question is asked, you can able. Okay. Question, ma'am. Question, neural network question. I was trying to search one question. I am able to remember that one question was there, but today I did not find the question. मैम कल से MCQ करवाएंगे. हाँ, कल से MCQ होगा. कल से MCQ. आज सब लोग बोल रहे थे कि जेनेटिक एंड AI होगा, जेनेटिक एल्गोरिथम एंड न्यूरल नेटवर्क, थोड़ा ओवरव्यू दे दो. So that's why I am giving the overview. From tomorrow only PYQs and quick revision will going on. Networking, I am going to start networking. Okay, tomorrow. Just I have to finish the genetic algorithm now. Just overview I am giving according to your demand. Okay. And if I find out, I will try to find out some MCQ from the genetic algorithm and neural network from the previous year's question. Yes, paper 2 ही तो हो रहा है. It is paper 2 only. It is paper 2 only. Okay. Just try to understand the concept. Then from tomorrow we are going to start networking, and within tomorrow if I find out that from the genetic algorithm one question I already got, but if I find out another question I will add the MCQ tomorrow. Okay? Now try to concentrate in genetic algorithm. Try to understand the genetic algorithm, everyone. The class is not end. You have to understand the genetic algorithm. Yes, same schedule, but one change is schedule, that is everyone was asking for genetic algorithm and neural network. That's why today I have taken the genetic algorithm and neural network. From tomorrow networking, I will start the networking. Okay, and if there is any changes in schedule I will confirm you. Okay? Okay, or any doubt, anyone have any doubt, any question, any doubt, any question anyone have, so that I can start genetic algorithm. Take a day, take a breath. Okay, let's start. So genetic algorithm is like same like we have learned in life science, biology. This is coming from biology, same concept of biology and same concept of life science. Okay, so genetic algorithm, that there is some male and there is one male and one female, and finally the new chromosome is created. Same term, same language is used here. Gene, chromosome, population, everything same thing is, same concept is here, but just we are using the algorithm here. Okay, so a genetic algorithm is such the heuristic that is inspired by Charles Darwin, that we have learned Charles Darwin in biology, right? Same theory, that it is inspired by Charles Darwin, theory of natural evolution. We have learned the natural evolution, like there are so many chromosomes are coming, but which chromosome we are going to select, that is which is the fittest chromosome. We are trying to select the fittest one, the fittest chromosome, that is only selected, and that is only doing the pair, right? Same thing is going on here, that this algorithm reflects the process of natural selection with the fittest individual are selected. Same thing is going on, that is fittest chromosome will be only selected. So here also we are selecting the fittest one, and for the reproduction in order to produce offspring, that is for the next generation, right? Male and female, the fittest one, male chromosome is selected, and finally we are doing the reproduction. Same thing is here. Now how the algorithm is going on, try to understand the algorithm. I think it is not visible, I am zooming it. Just 1 minute, let me zoom it. Yes, so see, this is the chromosome, right? This is the chromosome and these are the gene. This is the gene, means A1, A2, A3, A4. Just think that the value in computer 0 and 1, there is nothing but 0 and 1, everything is 0 and 1, right? Everything is 0 and 1. So gene, chromosome and population are there. So these are the total population. From that total population, this gene, this is the gene and this is the chromosome. Now how we are selecting, how the crossover is going on, there you can see some crossover is going on here. So how it is going on, you can see that that there was 1 1 1 and this was 0 0 0. Here all are the 0, here all are the 1. Now it is shifting the value, means some characteristics will come from the father and some characteristics are coming from the mother, right? Same way, when for our child some characteristics is coming from mother and some characteristics is coming from father. Same thing is going on. For the A1 there was all 0 0 0 and for here there was all 1 1 1. Now it is exchanging. See, this is exchanging the value, and after exchanging, two new generation is created. That is, here you can see 1 1 1 0 0 0 and here 0 0 0 1 1 1. Okay, this is going on, means shifting, shuffling is going on. We are exchanging, interchanging the gene, the characteristics is interchanging. So same thing is going on in computer science also. We are applying same knowledge using only 0 and 1. Okay. Yes. Now I am going to the next slide. What is the algorithm? So initialize the population. First one is, what is the population? Population means what are the different types of chromosome, different types of gene are there, different types of chromosome are there. That is the population. Maybe there are so many gene are there. Now fitness evaluation, there will be some function. Just now there will be some function. From that function they are trying to judge is it fit or not. Is it fit or not? But how many digits are shifted? How many digits are shifted? It is according to the algorithm. It will be it is depend according to the algorithm. Okay, according to the algorithm. Anyone don't know that how the crossover going on. According to the crossover algorithm, how the crossover will going on, one by one I am going to show you the algorithm. It will be clear to you. Okay, how everything is going on, I am going to show you. This is the algorithm, Shubhangi. Okay, now from that fitness evaluation, it is selecting some fit one, which is fit. Now that is that from here, that is the termination criteria. So if the termination criteria is satisfying, means that select population. Termination criteria is not satisfying, means that is the no. This is no, means this is select population, and if it is yes, then output optimal result. From here termination criteria is satisfying, yes, then it is output optimal result. Otherwise it will again go for the select population and again go for crossover, and again the mutation is going on. I am zooming it, just see the every step. First one is initialize the population, next one is fitness evaluation, next one is termination criteria. There are the termination criteria. If the criteria is satisfying, then it is going to the final output or optimal result. Otherwise it is again going to the select population and it is doing the crossover. After the what just now we have done the crossover, like 0 1 1 0 is crossover and mutation is going on, and again it is coming to the fitness evaluation. Means again and again crossover will going on and finally it will select it in that way. Okay. Yes, now see how the fitness measure is going on. How the fitness measure is going on, see that is initial random population, that is the first generation. From the first generation initially random population is coming. I am zooming here, that will be visible to everyone. So see, these are the fitness score. These are the fitness score, that are the 3 individuals are there, each with 4 gene. All have 4 gene, 3 individual. there is the yellow, blue and green, that are the 3 individual, means A1, A2 and A3. From these 3 individual, there are 4 types of gene. 4 types of gene, gene have there are the value, that is the value 0.51, 0.11, 0.70, 0.12. Now there are the fitness score. Here using the fitness function, the fitness score is coming from this all value. Here the fitness score is 13%, here the fitness score is 0.4%, and here the fitness score is 33%, right. Now after the fitness score, what it is doing, that is measuring fitness score, it is measured, that is the fitness score is this. Now finally it is doing the selection. How it is doing the selection? Randomly pick parent weighted by fitness value. Randomly there will be some fitness value, these are the fitness value. According to the fitness value, it is taking everyone, that is this is 13%, this is 4% and it is 33%, right. This is the wheel, like the wheel, we are doing the lottery. We are doing the lottery system, you know that we are moving the wheel, and from the wheel we are randomly choosing everything. In the lottery system we are doing like that. Same thing will do, that it will moving the wheel and it will pick parent randomly. Randomly it is picking the parent. Okay, clear? How actually parent is picking? Only like the lottery, think like the lottery, that are the wheel, these are the wheel, and lottery system, how the lottery system is going on, same thing, randomly picking, that is rattle the wheel. Okay, now the reproduction, now come to the reproduction, how the reproduction is going on, that is create 2 children by crossing over. Now the crossover will going on by 2 children. 2 children will go, that is by the crossover. How the crossover? Here the 2 parent, that is yellow one and green one. From this 2 parent, the value are 0.5, 0.2, these are the parent value. And finally the children value is coming, that is the, we are crossover, doing the crossover, 0.5, 0.11 that is coming here, 0.231 is coming here, and 0.8 and 25 is coming here. See, with the 0.51 it is crossover doing this. How the crossover is going on, just see the chart, it will be, try to understand the chart. From the parent, how the children is coming, try to understand the chart. That is, something is now, some part is moving to green, this is shifted like green, and this is yellow, and this part is shifted like yellow, and this part is green. In that way the characteristics is changing. This is only crossover, just half. See, here the crossover is going on like half. Half part of this coming here and half part of this coming there, shuffling. Got it? Got it? Is it clear now? क्लियर? पेरेंट से चाइल्ड कैसे हो रहा है? पेरेंट से चाइल्ड कैसे हो रहा है? हाउ द क्रॉस ओवर इज गोइंग ऑन? इट इज half of. Only here the two children by crossing over genes from each parent. From each parent it is doing the crossover and it is doing the half of here. Okay. Now just we know the theory, like that from 2 there are 2 to the power n, like that way only the gene is reflecting 2 to the power n. We know that from the genetic algorithm also we know that is 2 to the power n number of gene is creating for every crossover. Here also there is 2 parent and from their children 4 children is coming, right. Now next part is mutation. now the mutation is going on. How the mutation is going on? Occasionally, randomly muted one gene. Mutation means that something suddenly something is changed. Mutation means that are not character of parent and father and mother, but new character is coming. Mutation means what? That some new thing, new character is added to the gene. That is mutation. That occasionally can be happen, randomly can be happen. How it is changed? See that it was 0.5, it is 0.51, but this 0.11 value is changed to 0.48, means some new thing is added and the value is changed, means some new characteristics is added to the child. That is called mutation. Otherwise, for every generation mutation is going on. That's why new generation is always updated from the old new generation, right? Your kid is always updated rather than you, and you is we are also updated rather than our father and mother, because there are some mutation is going on. Otherwise everything will be same, right? Otherwise everything will be same. And same thing is also happening in virus. Different types of virus, different types of like now the coronavirus is going on, there are some mutation is going on. So every time in any gene, any cell, every time the mutation is going on. That is occasionally something is changes, occasionally some genes change. So that is the mutation. That 0.1, you can see the value, that 0.1 is changed to 0.48, right? So mutation is done now. Now after the mutation, new generation. Now the new generation created. How the new generation created? This is the new generation. The value is muted here 0.48. So this the value is changed 0.48. Here this is 8.1. This is 0.51. And this is come here, that is 0.2, 3.1. This is the value. And here the same value is coming. So this is the new generation, because this here the blue, this one blue, new mutation was there, and after that finally this new generation is created with 3 color. That 3 is coming here. So this is the new generation is created here. Got it? So these are the process of genetic algorithm, and how the fitness score is going on, how the crossover is going on, how the mutation is going on. Actually there are different types of algorithm, and some question is coming from the fitness function, from the genetic algorithm. Please have some patience, try to cover other syllabus first. Then if we have enough time, then I will try to take some special classes in Sunday, because every Sunday it is free for me till now according to the schedule. If there is enough time before exam, I will take some previous year's question for the numerical. What types of numerical is coming for the genetic algorithm, especially in December 2019. If there is time, definitely I will take the classes for the numerical. Okay. Just this is the concept. I think from the concept you will be able to solve. If some question will come, at least you can guess something. At least you can guess something, and at least you can do the reply. Okay. And what are the steps is there? That is notation and natural selection. The 5 steps. Try to remember these 5 phases of genetic algorithm. What are the 5 phases? Initial population, fitness function, selection, crossover and mutation. These are the 5 phases. These 5 phases is very important. Try to remember that. Sometimes question are coming from these 5 phases only. Okay, what are the 5 phases of genetic algorithm? Initial population, fitness function, selection, crossover and mutation. Okay. Got it? Yes. Now here Here the initial population was there, finally it was done. This is the chromosome is here, and from here the A3, this is the crossover, and this is the population. From this population this is coming here, and this is the chromosome, and this is the gene. Okay, so the process of begin set of individual which label as population. There are the different set of individual. This is the population. Each individual solution problem, that is the individual characteristics set by the parameter of gene. These are the characteristics, these are the gene, and these are the chromosome, that are the solution. Okay. Fitness function. What is the fitness function? The fitness function determine how fit an individual, the ability of an individual to compare with other individual. Just now we have done the fitness function, and it gives the fitness score to each individual, the probability that an individual will be selected for the reproduction based on the fitness score. Just here we have discussed according to the fitness score. See the fitness score of this. What are the fitness score? According to the fitness score, it is selected for the reproduction. Finally for the reproduction the score is selected. So these are the score is selected, that is 0.51, 0.58, 8.1, 0.25. okay, these are the fitness score. And selection. What is selection? The idea of selection phase is to select the fitness individual to let them pass their genes to the next generation. We are selecting that. Now crossover, this is the crossover, we have already discussed. This is the crossover. Crossover point means we are doing, this is crossover point, it will come here and it will come here. This is the crossover going on. 0 is 0 1 0 1 coming here. Finally this is the final value, new, added to the population. This is the final value, right? So mutation. Before mutation the value was 11000, 11000, but after mutation this part is changed. After mutation you can see 1 is same here, that is same here, this 0 is same here, but this part is changed. This 1 is changed to 0, this 0 is changed to 1, this 0 is changed to 1. That is the mutation. Mutation is in certain few offspring framed, some of their gene are subjected to be mutation, their low random probability, and this implies that bits are spring to flipped. Bit flipped हो गए, 0 1 हो गए and 1 0 हो गए, right? That is the mutation. So mutation occurs to maintain diversity within the population and prevent the premature convergence. Okay, got it? Now what is the termination condition? What is the termination condition of genetic algorithm? The algorithm terminates if the population have coverage does not produce offspring, that is new thing is not coming. When it is terminate, that you are doing the crossover, you are doing everything, but new population is not coming. Any new changes from the old thing what happened in the next phase, same thing is coming to the another phase. That's why there is no changes. So now that is the terminate condition, that does not produce offsprings which is significantly different from the previous generation. Previous generation से next generation का there is no difference. Please try to remember this termination condition. This is very important, that when the genetic algorithm terminated, when there is no significant change from the previous generation to next generation. Maybe the question can ask from here, try to remember, that is the termination condition of genetic algorithm, when there is no changes in previous generation and next generation. Okay, significant change is not there, then it is said that genetic algorithm is provide that set of solution of our problem. And there are the some notes. The population has a fixed size, you have to do the fixed size of population, and as new generation is formed, individual with least fitness die. जिसका फिटनेस अच्छा नहीं है, that will die. We know that which chromosome are not selected, that is die after some days. So same thing is happening here, that if someone is not selected, that is die. Providing space for new offspring. New offspring will come here, that is providing the space, and sequence of phases is represent to produce individual each new generation which are better than the previous generation. Always new generation will be better than the previous generation. When the betterness is not there, when it is same, then it is the termination condition, right? So this is the algorithm, just see the algorithm. This is the genetic algorithm, just go through that algorithm. Start, then generate the initial population, then compute the fitness, then again repeat, then selection, then crossover, mutation, again compute the fitness until population has converged. Converged means what? That is there is no significant changes from the previous generation to the next generation. That is, till then it will be until the population has converged. After that, stop. Got it? So try to remember the genetic algorithm steps. Maybe from the steps question can be asked. Maybe they can shuffle the step, they can ask any way. So try to remember the steps. Okay. Yes, this is a question. This is a question of June 2019. This NET June 2019 का question है. It is very easy for you. Try to solve. I did answer from everyone. I can see there are 17 live learners till now. There was 25 to 26 live learners. Now they are not there. They are not able to understand. They are not trying to understand that what is genetic algorithm. Okay, everyone. Now till now, इतना बकबक करने के बाद भी आप लोग कितना आंसर दे रहे हो? 1 2 3 4 भी कोई दे दो. 1 2 3. Why you are not giving 4? 4 भी दे दो. Just now I have discussed everything. Which of the following are found in genetic algorithm? It is asking. And till now all of you are confused. What happened? Are you there or not? आप लोग सुन रहे थे क्या? नहीं, अभी भी आप लोग गलत आंसर दे रहे हो. कैसे? How? What happened, Sunita? Evaluation, selection, reproduction, mutation. Everything is there or not? Everything is there or not? Evaluation, selection, mutation, reproduction, everything is there or not? क्या हुआ? क्यों? 3 लग रहा था मैम, तो क्यों नहीं किया? तो क्यों नहीं किया? 1 2 आप लोग क्यों कर रहे हो? अभी तो बताए. इवैल्यूएशन नहीं होगा तो कैसे होगा? इवैल्यूएशन तो होना ही है. इवैल्यूएशन, देन सिलेक्शन, देन रिप्रोडक्शन, देन म्यूटेशन. Everything is there, right? Why you are doing? Only Sinu was correct. Sinu was correct only. All of confused हो गए. क्यों? Confused क्यों? Why confused? Just I have told that कि it is same like the biology. Everything like the biology. I have told and I have discussed everything. Right? Okay. Reproduction means रिप्रोडक्शन नहीं होगा तो जेनेटिक एल्गोरिदम का क्या मतलब है? जेनेटिक एल्गोरिदम तो आपको रिप्रोड्यूस करना ही है. यू आर रिप्रोड्यूसिंग द न्यू जेनरेशन. तो रिप्रोडक्शन नहीं होगा तो कैसे होगा? अगर हम लोग रिप्रोडक्शन नहीं करेंगे तो कैसे होगा? जेनरेशन कैसे होगा? जेनरेशन होने के लिए तो रिप्रोडक्शन करना ही है. अगर रिप्रोडक्शन नहीं होगा तो जेनरेशन कैसे होगा? कैसे होगा जेनेटिक एल्गोरिदम? वी हैव टू रिप्रोड्यूस आवर चाइल्ड, राइट? अदरवाइज व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ जेनेटिक एल्गोरिदम? If you are not reproducing, then why genetic algorithm? Genetic algorithm is there only for reproducing. Only for reproducing the new child, only for reproducing the new generation. That is the target of genetic algorithm and you are confused in reproduction. Why यार? क्या हुआ? क्यों लगता है जेनेटिक एल्गोरिदम? काम क्या है जेनेटिक एल्गोरिदम का? काम ही तो है रिप्रोडक्ट करना, रिप्रोडक्शन करना. काम ही तो ऐसा है ना. राइट? और क्या कंफ्यूजन है बताओ? What? Any other confusion? Any other confusion? Show backslide. Yes, backslide. क्या हुआ? बैकस्लाइड सुरभि? सुरभि बैकस्लाइड में क्या है बोलो? सुरभि बैकस्लाइड में क्या है बताओ? कोई प्रॉब्लम है? एल्गो यही यहाँ पे ही तो है. एल्गो, जेनेटिक एल्गो. These are the algorithm steps, but the question is not asking the steps only. It is asking all the component, it is asking that which of the following found in genetic algorithm. These are the steps, these are the mathematical, these are the steps of the algorithm, but it is not asking that what are the steps of the genetic algorithm. It is asking that what is found in genetic algorithm. क्या क्या देख सकते हो आप जेनेटिक एल्गोरिथम में? दैट इज आस्किंग. दैट आर द सिलेक्शन, फिटनेस फंक्शन, इनिशियल पॉपुलेशन, इवैल्यूएशन, एवरीथिंग वी आर डूइंग. ठीक है? क्लियर? और कोई डाउट? और एनी डाउट? एनीवन हैव? It is not asking the steps only. always try to understand the question. Okay, always try to understand the question, try to apply your knowledge. What from today's class, I think hopefully at least one question or two question you will be able to solve in exam, because now concept is clear to you. Try to apply your knowledge, try to guess something. If your knowledge is clear, if your concept is clear, then you will be solve any question. That's why I have taken this class, so that some question, if some theory is coming, if some easy question is there, you will be able to solve, because this term will be known to you, right? So from tomorrow networking is okay for all. Some students was asking for TOC also. Some student was asking for TOC also, but as per the schedule, from tomorrow I am going to start networking revision. Networking revision, quick revision will be there through the previous year's question. So all of you agree with that for the networking? All of you have seen the schedule? शेड्यूल कहाँ पे गए? This was the schedule, that is the data communication and networking. 24th तो आज हो गए, 24th आज हो गए, तो थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा. 5th 6th यहाँ पे एक एक शाफल हो जाएगा, everything will be shuffle date. So data communication, networking, after that graph theory, set, relation, optimization, after that data structure, algorithm and programming language, then computer graphics, then digital logic, computer system architecture, software operating system, then revision. There is the time for revision as per demand. If TOC, yes ma'am, need revision in fast way. Yes, जितना फास्ट हो सके करूँगी, जितना फास्ट हो सके करूँगी, ठीक है. चलो, so good night everyone. Tomorrow we will meet again for the networking. So many question is coming from networking, and networking is a scoring area. Don't miss the class, and I can guarantee you, if you complete networking with me, BT, B plus tree, revision in DS. Okay, definitely BT, B plus tree I will do. All the tree, B tree, B plus tree, binary search tree, mean heap, max heap, everything we will do. Okay, good night everyone, and try to attempt the class every day so that we can finish everything. I think your concept is clear from today. How many of you are there till now? I can see Preeti, Priyanka Joshi, Survi, Sunita, Sarita, Suvangi, Manish, Hema, and any other else. Sinu is there, I think. Sinu, Ruchika is there, Sujata is there, KR Pal is there. Any other else? Anyone? Any other else? Sarita, Bikrant, Preeti. Okay. Thanks for joining the session. Good night everyone. Try to go for sleep before exam. Don't take too much stress. Try to take proper at least 6 hours sleep. Sleep is mandatory. Wake up, go to bed, do your revision, quick revision for 30 minutes. Before going to bed, one thing I will take only one suggestion for you, that before going to bed, please try to prepare your next day planning. before going to bed, always try to prepare your next day planning, that what you have to do from today morning to night. Try to prepare that, just it will take only 10 minutes. Try to do your next day planning, then go to sleep and try to wake up early and start your day with fresh mind. Okay, whatever you have learned today, just go through everything for 15 minutes, and next 5 minutes try to prepare your day, try to do your routine for the next day, so that you can follow the routine from tomorrow. Okay, and TOC I will arrange. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye bye.